Hello, my name is Pamela Franks at Restoration Hair Salon in Pflugerville, Texas. I'm here today to talk to you about problems with locks. Are you having problems with puffiness on your locks? Are you having to go frequently to get your hair retwisted? Are you only being able to hold your retwist for 2 weeks or less? That shouldn't be so. Are you unable to hold moisture in your locks? Well, if you are, the product 40 weight is the product for you. What this product is going to do, it's going to make sure that your edges are nice and smoothed up in the front when you're getting retwist. A lot of free hairs and stuff like that, it's going to lay that down. Also, it's going to be able to help you control the thickness of the lock as it grows out, okay? When you're starting or when you're having your regular maintenance on your locks. It's also going to contribute to its moisture rising capabilities and the conditioning of the locks. The product will feed your locks even after the retwist, doing it after, okay? This product is designed to even help those with the 3A, 3B, 3C, 4A, 4B, and 4C hair types. Because what it's going to do is going to make sure that the hair is consistent in its growth pattern and thickness of your choice, simply by the proper pressure and using this product called 40 weight. You do get it in 8 ounces, and it's a $65 jar, and we have sales at times. But what I want to stress about this product, we do not have any beeswax. All our products are prided on no beeswax. So if you're losing moisture, having a hard time keeping up with your hair in between because you're having to go so much, you should only have to do every 5 to 8 weeks with this product, followed under the dryer for 30 minutes, and then you can mix it with the lemon drop nectar that we have, or just your favorite oil after completion. And we wanted to make sure we get this product distributed evenly among the hair shaft. If they're having irregularities, it's going to help you press it in and compress it to where it's solid. If you have frizzies, it's going to be able to smooth that cuticle to where it lays down and wraps off in there for those that we have problems with frizzy and puffiness. If you're breaking and popping, it's going to reinforce it as you need it. When the product is applied to the hair, you'll be able to knead it with your fingers and make a more secure hole right there. Whatever is going to be there is going to be there, and it'll also help push that hair through so it can go all the way down to the end of the lock and up to reform and to reshape and to tighten it. If it's already gone and it's not going to be able to do that growth cycle, that part particularly will come off, but you'll still have strength in the lock from the product that you used prior. It's no buildup or anything like that. And in between your services, you'll find that when you're shampooing the product, you'll see that you still have some moisture and oil in it, so it's still feeding the hair. We do use shea and lanolin in this product. We've made careful attention to make sure that this product does not weigh the hair down, and make sure you're light and fluffy and bouncy when you're leaving the salon. You can also add any hydro oil series that we have onto this before the conditioner and after the services are done as well. This product is guaranteed to cure everything from top to bottom. It does it all. So if these problems relate to you, you should be relating to this product 40 weight champion.